Alright guys, so the EcoFlow ran out of batteries, packed up the whole gang right here. Gonna go charge it, find a little campsite over here to charge it for about like 10-20 minutes or so. Alright, so best part about the Land Cruiser is this little table right here, and I mentioned that in my initial car camping setup video. But this is basically like a workstation. You can sit on it, a little tailgate, and I mean, look how easy that is to just be able to put this out and charge something like real quick. So
like kind of like at night it's kind of creepy because
oh, is it really?
It's like black.
Oh yeah.
But this is where we heard like the bzzz, and it was like,
was it a drone?
No, a bunch of bees.
Oh, bees?
Up in the trees.
Bees in the trees.
Bees in the trees.
Hey, Mars Shepherd. Alright, finally finished charging. Took about probably 30-40 minutes, but not too bad. Just kind of hung out here and enjoyed the scenery. What's your hit?